Directions look pretty easy. So we'll get these unwrapped and start pushing them in and see how it turns out. There you have it, the Goodyear window side deflectors. Very, very easy install. Just clean the tracks. They have some 3M adhesive. Once the tracks are cleaned, you just pop the deflectors in. Once you put the window back up, it's gonna set the deflector if it's off track just a hair or anything like that. And then I'm gonna leave the windows up like this for a few days as I'm doing a few other little projects with some LEDs in the garage here. So windows are gonna stay up. It'll allow that adhesive tape to set and cure. And then from there, should have no issues and we'll be good for the next time it's raining. I put my windows down.